In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a condenser on your Nissan Altima, located behind the front bumper. Make sure you bring your car to a local shop and have them evac the AC system. Remove the 4 clips on top of the grille. After you take out the 4 clips on top of the grille, there's going to be a clip on the side. Push in to release the clip and pull the grille forward. Do the same thing on the other side. There's 2 more clips on the bottom of the grille. Reach your arm inside and under. Push up on the bottom of the clip to release it. And do the same thing on the other side. Remove the grille. Behind the radiator support on the passenger side, remove the condenser line bolt using a 10mm socket. On the front side of the bumper support, remove the 10mm bolt on the condenser lines. While holding the line, I'm prying the clip off to the side, being very careful not to mar up the lines. They're aluminum, they're very fragile. Once you have the lock off to the side, go ahead and pull your hoses out. On both sides where we just took bolts out, go ahead and pop the lines out. Remove the AC pressure sensor connector. Squeeze the little tab on the top and pull. There's 2 tabs on either side of the condenser. Push them in and pull up on the condenser to release it from the clips. Do the same thing on the other side. I was just using a trim tool. You could also use a flat blade screwdriver to make it easier for yourself. Once you have the clips off, remove the condenser. Using a 24mm wrench, we're going to swap the AC pressure sensor from the old condenser to the new one. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to remove the plug that comes in the new condenser. And install the pressure sensor from the old unit. Using a 24mm wrench, tighten down the pressure sensor on the condenser. Install the new condenser. Slide it into place. Push the condenser down into place until it clicks. Install the pressure sensor connector. Remove the 2 plugs out of the condenser. Put a little bit of AC oil around your O-rings. Install the line set. Push it down into place. Install the bolt. And torque it to 6.5 foot-pounds. Put a little bit of oil around the 2 line connections and install it into the condenser line set. Install the 10mm bolt. Snug it down. and torque it to 6.5 foot-pounds. Install the grille, line up all the clips, push in, install the 4 clips back into the top of the grille. Now that you've changed your AC condenser, go ahead and bring your car to the shop and have them recharge your AC system.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.